Hello everyone! Today we're back at Camp Nou to check the latest construction progress. From super pillars to third-tier seating and the new ceramic Louvres, there's plenty happening across the stadium. You won't believe the changes we're seeing up close. Let's dive in and see all the updates in action. In the third tier, machinery and an elevated platform are active, though no new prefabricated seating has been added yet in Goal Norte. The main focus here remains on the pillars. One super pillar is still waiting for its final concrete pour, marking an important step in completing the structure. Workers continue preparing floor layers in the VIP ring. New materials are arriving constantly, and the overall site shows excellent activity and progress. We are also monitoring the steel structure painting work. The walls behind the ceramic Louvres, Lamas, are being painted black, a significant development to ensure no visibility behind the Louvres once installed. This decision greatly enhances the final aesthetics of the stadium. Moving along the lateral side, the parking access ramp next to the Masia is progressing. Reinforcement bars are fully installed, and the remaining work includes pouring concrete for the outer walls and the ramp. This section is expected to take 1 to 2 weeks to complete. The base area of the ceramic Louvres, or Zona Cero, continues to grow more impressive daily. Installation pace is strong, and soon the lower third-tier area will be fully covered. Today, walls behind the Louvres are being painted black. Lilac-colored Louvres are being placed on the upper left side, while a central section remains open for platform access to continue painting the background walls. In the corner, known as the Labyrinth, drainage pipes connect to the city system. Movement here is limited, but insider information confirms that the first counterweights, pieces of the compression ring for upper pillars on the third cantilever, will begin installation soon. This is a major milestone in completing the structure. At Goal Sur, third-tier installation continues. Prefabricated seating pieces are being added, and tomorrow we will go to the upper levels to check the progress of both the lateral and Goal Sur stands. Crane towers in this area are temporarily inactive but will resume work as needed. Remaining upper pillars are being concreted, a critical phase for structural integrity. 3 concrete pumps are active, indicating heavy work and significant progress. Next to the Goal Sur entrance ramp, workers are shaping the ramp for the team bus. At the Tribuna d'Arce viewpoint, the second mechanical escalator installation is underway. While it has not been lifted yet, the prefabricated stairs and surrounding walls are progressing. Today's tour shows significant progress in multiple areas: super pillars, third-tier seating, ceramic Louvres, black painted background walls, and escalator installations. Tomorrow, we will focus in detail on the first compression ring pieces on top of the third cantilever, tracking every step of the stadium's transformation. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications to stay updated with all developments in the stadium. Visca Barça. See you in the next video.